All right, guys, so this is the seat in the 2016, 17, 18 Q50 passenger seat. How you remove it? So you got 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. You take your 14 bolts out. And this is how you get to the harness to remove the seat. And this is your seat rail sensor right here. Right here is the seat rail sensor. So if this sensor here is bad, which means your airbag light wouldn't go out. No matter what you do, you'll have to replace this seat rail, the whole complete rail. What happen sometimes, it just be this module right here that you see that I'm touching right here. So this, sometimes it will tell you the passenger occupancy sensor, and you change this box from the dealer, and this box is roughly about $300, around what, 300, don't misquote me, around $300-400 at the dealership for this box. Sometimes you put it in, cause don't forget, a scanner could only point you in the direction. Then you got to do your own, what was it, traces of the wires and all that stuff. So you got to change that seat rail sensor. It's pretty expensive. You got to pretty much get a used seat, because the dealer for this whole setup here is pretty expensive from the dealer. So there's where your seat occupancy sensor is, right here. And you would have to dismantle the seat rail to get that out. Going in with some 10 millimeter bolts or 12 millimeter bolts that hold in by. So guys, we're gonna take this seat out, and then this is the passenger seat. Then we're gonna move to the driver's seat. So we're just showing you how to remove these seats. So this is 1 wire, 2 wires. Then we have the clip in the back of here. You try to see as best as possible how you can get behind there, and you release it with these clips right here. Sometimes you use a clip tool, but spread them out up, or they get messed up. You pretty much got to put them back in like that. So if you can get behind it to move it, fine. If you can't, you just use a clip tool, put it under here, and then you move it out. So you get it out. Then we have this clip, the main seat harness. Get that out of the way. Then this is for the airbag in the seat. You want to slide this, get a pick and slide this up this way, and that release that. So now you want to take the harness off. So you get behind here, or you can use a clip tool and move that out of the way. And you move that out of the way. So you got the harness out of the way, guys. So there's one seat that's ready to come out. This is the passenger seat. So we go over to the driver's seat. And pretty much the same thing is on the driver's seat. So I wouldn't have to repeat myself over on that side. So it's pretty much the same thing. So it goes for the driver and the passenger seat. This is where your occupancy sensor are on the passenger seat. The occupancy sensor is on the left rail. It could be on the right rail on that driver's seat. So Stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. So we got the airbag, the clip for the airbag sensor. We just put the pick in there and slide this up, and it slides right out. And then we use a clip tool, get it in the back of the clip right here, and gently move it out so you get it out. See, sometimes they break, but when you're putting it back in, we'll just hold back in with one. So that's that. So we just got to take this seat out. So that's how you remove your harness, the seat harness. That's how you remove the seat harness on both seats. And as I showed you, the seat occupant sensor on the passenger seat, guys.